Hey guys, welcome to tutorial group. Today I'll be showing you how to change the Facebook Messenger ringtone on your phone, and let's start right in now. To change your Facebook Messenger ringtone, let's open up our Messenger app first. And after opening your Messenger app, on the top left corner of your screen you can see the three line icon. Tap over there, and after that you can see the settings icon on the top right corner of the interface just beside our name. Tap on that settings icon and scroll down, and you will see the notifications and sound option available over here under the category of preferences. Tap on notifications and sounds, and over here you can see the ringtone option available over here, which is the second one. Tap on ringtone, and over here there are a lot of ringtones offered by Facebook Messenger itself. You can choose or change your ringtone according to your needs. With that being said, from here you can change your Facebook Messenger ringtone easily. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.